It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Thursday, October the 29th. I'm Michael Groff. Temperatures returning to near seasonal averages today, but the warming trend rolls on with highs once again getting above average by the weekend and much of next week. When might we see another chance of rain coming into the picture, and what about some cooler temperatures? Well, we'll try to find all of that. First, let's take a look at the almanac from yesterday. An absolutely gorgeous day. The afternoon high was 70 degrees, the morning low 48. Certainly well below those averages of 84 and 60. And outside now here just after 8 o'clock, we've got clear sky out there sitting at 54 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 30, relative humidity 40%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Another very pleasant start to the day out there, a little bit chilly with temperatures ranging from the low 40s in the cool spots to the low and middle 50s in the urban core. The upper air look shows the feature that brought in the cooler temperatures around here earlier in the week is now over extreme southeastern Oklahoma. We've got Zeta, now a tropical storm, racing into the Carolinas. It is moving very quickly, and high pressure is building back in here over the southwest. There is weak low pressure, a weak little baggy wave that will just hang out around here for the next few days. We'll talk about that in just a moment. Here's the watch warning map, some air stagnation advisories up there across parts of the northwestern United States. Elsewhere with Zeta, you still have some tropical storm warnings from North Georgia into the Carolinas, flash flood watches and a few flash flood warnings ongoing there as well. On the convective outlook for today, of course, with that circulation from Zeta, there is a marginal risk of severe storms from North Florida all the way up into the Carolinas and Virginia. And the tropics, there you see Zeta moving into western North Carolina and another tropical wave about to move into the Caribbean with a low chance of developing in the next couple of days, but a moderate chance that it will develop into a tropical system over the next 5 days. We'll keep an eye on that. There's the particulars on Zeta. It continues to weaken and it is racing, almost moving at 40 miles per hour to the east-northeast. Incredible speed there, so it will be out of the picture by later tonight. And the precipitation outlook, valid through next Thursday morning from the WPC. No rain in the valley, nothing really statewide. A mainly dry weather pattern is expected to continue. I say mainly dry. There is a small wrinkle in that. We'll talk about it as we dive into modeling. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure building back in here across the west. A very weak little baggy wave to the west of us, but really no consequence for our weather, at least not in the short term. Down at the surface today, sunny skies and much warmer temperatures. We're back pretty close to normal. Highs low to mid-80s. Tonight, clear skies, lows in the 50s to near 60. Tomorrow, sunny, even warmer, highs mid and upper 80s. As we get to the weekend, that aforementioned baggy wave to the west of us may start to tap into just enough moisture to bring in some periods of mid and high-level clouds. Not going to slow down the warm-up, though. We'll be in the upper 80s to near 90 on Saturday for Halloween. And probably in the low 90s on Sunday, again with those variable high clouds. As we get to Monday, the GFS is now showing that wave to the west, closing off into an upper low, but still keeping it very weak and only tapping into a subtle amount of moisture. Precipitable water values generally staying under 0.6 inches. So I guess conceivably we could see a little sprinkle or a very light shower over the higher terrain of our state. Here in the valley, again, just a continuation of periods of mid and high level clouds, and high temperatures still pretty close to 90. Same thing on Tuesday, no real change. On Wednesday, that system may start to come through here, but just some clouds for us. Here we go out to a week from today. This is Thursday, the 5th of November. We've got another trough developing off of the Pacific Northwest coast. A westerly flow around here that looks fairly dry with temperatures a little bit above normal. Here's Friday the 6th. Now that trough is deepening as it drops into the Great Basin. Upper heights are coming down here, southwesterly flow increasing. Maybe some clouds, probably not any precipitation at this point, but we'll keep an eye on it. And then as we go out 10 days, this is Saturday the 7th. Now the west has a deep cold upper trough here, and so the heights are coming down. Temperatures would be going below average once again, although it does look like, at least in this configuration, most of the unsettled weather would stay just to the north of us. Although still a few showers would be possible over northern Arizona. All right, let's look at precipitation off of the European ensemble. We're dry for a while. Now, there are certainly a number of members that are trying to bring in some rain out here toward 10 days and beyond. The control member is up there over 2/3 of an inch, but the ensemble mean is around 1/10 of an inch. And temperatures off the national blend of models continuing to warm up. Highs getting into the upper 80s and low 90s by late in the weekend and next week. Overnight lows mostly in the 60s, but you do see out there toward about the 7th of November. And after that, temperatures may start to trend down as more unsettled weather could come in here. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a wonderful Thursday.